Greetings everybody, Ben Beecher here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our page, stay up to date on all of our new inventory. Today we'll be going through this beautiful 2019 Nautique G23. This thing is black beauty. It is black onyx color inside and out. If you like black boats, this is the one for you.
Get the black hull, everything black. Black flight control tower.
All right, here at the back of the boat, you can see they've paired this gray and black sea deck with the black onyx black color of the boat. It looks absolutely magnificent. Taking a look underneath the boat here, you'll see Nautique's surf pipe, which allows the exhaust to be dumped out underwater so your riders don't have to breathe engine fumes. You also see Nautique's surf system and their wave plates, so you can select which side of the boat you want to surf off of, as well as shift on the fly. All right, back here we have a great grab handle, as well as a place to put a tube if you don't want to tie it off to the tower. You also have a great transom entry, nice wide entry with easy walkthrough. Once you get up here, you have plenty of storage and cover in this side. You see the side without the cover, how deep it goes. And one of the great things about the Nautiques is they put sea deck everywhere. They pay attention to detail, and it shows. Right, step down inside of the boat. We're going to have plenty of underseat storage all the way around. On the starboard side here, underseat storage, as well as onboard battery charger. More storage under here. Also, you have your in-floor cooler. This seat here will lift up, so you can actually have a backrest for anybody facing the back of the boat, watching the riders. And absolutely more storage here underneath the port side. Your JL Audio subwoofer. Another great thing about the Nautiques you'll notice is all these lighted cup holders, as well as 12 volt and USB ports everywhere to keep all your devices charged up. Over here on this side, you're going to see the tower controls for the power tower. So you can put the tower down for storage. And you have heat for a nice cool morning of water sports. You want to put it underneath the towel. This will pull out. Put it under a towel and stay nice and warm. So we move up to the helm here. You see this awesome race-inspired seat. Comfortable for forward facing, or if you wanted to sit sideways so you can turn around and watch what's going on behind you. Also up here at the helm you have this magnificent dash panel here, all touchscreen, as well as incorporated with this toggle switch down here. You have phone storage here, and once again, more USB for charging. As we move towards the bow of the boat, you're going to see a great bow seating area up here, fold down armrests, as well as a bow filler cushion. So you have plenty of riding places for passengers up here, as well as plenty of storage. Lastly here, we have the black flight control tower you see here. We have wakeboard and surf racks that pivot out, as well as the bimini top that expands out with the surf pockets for your surfboard inside the bimini as well. You'll see we have 4 8.8-inch JL Audio speakers, provide plenty of tunes for you while you're riding behind the boat, and a GoPro mount up on top. Once again, everybody, my name is Ben Beecher. Thank you for going through this 2019 G23 with us today. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks or online at marinemax.com. Thanks, and have a great day.